The Galaxy S24 Ultra is proving to be an intriguing upgrade as a result. Recently, we learned that Samsung is preparing to integrate the most recent AMOLED technology in the S24 Ultra. What's amazing is that this screen is superior than both the iPhone 14 Pro Max and the future iPhone 15 Ultra, which is scheduled to be released in less than 3 weeks. We didn't know much about this screen at the time, but now we have some amazing information that will undoubtedly wow you. The iPhone 14 Pro Max has a brighter display than the S23 Ultra, thus Apple has this year won when it comes to phone display brightness. Samsung provided Apple with a display that was superior to that of their own flagship phone for the first time ever. With the S24 Ultra, thankfully, that's not the case since the phone not only exceeds the 2000 nits threshold but also hits some incredible figures. This insider discloses that the S24 Ultra has consistent bezels and can provide a maximum brightness of 2200 nits. 2200 nits is already a significant improvement over the S23 Ultra's 1750 nits. Ice Universe, however, weighs in and claims that the brightness is really significantly greater. The same poster subsequently claimed that the M13 display Samsung is employing on the S24 Ultra has the capacity to go up to 2800 nits, which is absolutely absurd, but he didn't provide a specific figure. It is anticipated that the iPhone 15 Ultra would maintain the same 2000 nits of brightness as its predecessor. There are no surprises with the S24 Ultra's storage settings either. 3 variants of the phone, 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB, will be available through Samsung. It is identical to the S23 Ultra. All of the S24 variants' batteries appeared at a Korean certification facility, revealing their capacity. The S23 Plus will have a 4900 mAh battery, up from the 4700 mAh on its predecessor, while the normal S24 will have a 4000 mAh battery, up from the 3900 mAh on the S23. Both the S24 Ultra and S23 Ultra will have 5000 mAh batteries. Therefore, it is a bit unfortunate that the S24 Ultra is the only type not receiving a battery update this year. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.